Way more adventure with MiniSmart. Hi friends, it's me, MiniSmart. Today we're baking a carrot cake. Let's start baking. First, we add the eggs. Now, let's add honey. Now, let's mix it. Now, let's add the oil. Let's do 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now let's mix. Now we add the baking powder. And then we add flour. Let's mix now. Now let's add the main part, carrots. Mix, mix, mix. Ooh, that looks yummy. Now it's ready to bake. Now it's time to make the icing. First, we need honey. Then we add whipping cream. Then we mix it. Now we add a teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon. Now we add the cream cheese and mix. It smells so good. Now it's time to put the icing on the cake. Now let's decorate with